Right, this is the latest Elegoo, however you pronounce it, wash and curing machine. It's way cheaper than the alternative Anycubic one, and frankly I like the fact that I've got an Elegoo Mars and this is an Elegoo. Okay, so let's make some room to get this out. What's this? This looks like the Toolkit UK edition. Great. Nice protective padding. Okay, so it's out the box. Let's take it out of the wrapper. Get the wrapper off the bottom first. And then pull this top up. Classic cling film as I've seen on the other Elegoo Mars. Good to see. Just take that off. Okay, so we've got a nice thick perspex box. Cling film off it. The key here is never to use a knife on anything when unboxing. Actually, you don't need a knife. You can actually use just pick the tape on the edges of these, edges of the boxes. You can just pick this tape off and open it up. Okay, I'm trying to get this out. There we go. I'm always impressed with the packaging on these Elegoo units, and that actually looks fantastic. I mean, it is a world of plastic here, but I am impressed with the effort they go to on the packaging side. Okay, so this is looking like a good quality. Alright, okay. So, it looks like we've got a basket in there. It wasn't really clear on the images actually, but I'm quite pleased with that, because that basket is pretty nice. That looks like it's set out, it does. Alright, it didn't show you the details of this basket. It said you had to put the plate on here, the build plate. That's a nice basket for just parts where you don't have them on the build plate, or they've fallen off the build plate, or whatever. And then we've got that, more protection, 3,000 mil, so that's a really good volume. And it looks like that's the agitator, so it probably has magnets and that spins that agitating water. Nice little base there. Yeah, there's a spinning mechanism, and you've got a ridge section there to hold the jug in place. LED lights. Looks like there's a detection of the lid there or something. Okay, that's looking good. Anything else in the box? No, just protection. So we'll put that to one side. Got some here. User manual. It's like a plate at the bottom, turntable plate. Tools, great. Power supply. And the mounting bracket for the other type of plate. So, see, a bit of patience, no knife needed. Adjustable build plate is looking like high quality stainless steel. So we've got that plate there. Nice. Very nice. Got this plate here. I suspect it's to, this is the turntable, so when you're curing, these are normally really quick and concise manuals I've found in the past. Rather than giving you loads of, too much detail. Tells you what you're getting. Yeah, I can see we've got all those features. Plate here. This plate. I suspect that just to stop magnetic, so it is a really lot of force there, and we've got a turntable.